my channel. My name is Afnan and in today's video I will show you how you can integrate admin dashboard template in PHP. Okay, so in this video we simply integrate a SkyDash admin template in PHP. So let's start. So I'll just simply open my browser for downloading a SkyDash admin template. So I'll just simply search here SkyDash admin template free download. Okay, and first side I'll just open this, and on the right side you see download option. So simply just click on this and download this template as a zip file. And if you are not seeing this download option here, so you just put your email here, and automatically they send SkyDash admin template link to your email, and you just download this template on by clicking on that link. So I'll just simply uh, cancel this because I already have this SkyDash zip. So I'll just simply minimize this and go to my downloads, and in this downloads, so I have this SkyDash temp zip. So I'll just open this and click on this folder SkyDash and extract this zip to my desktop. You can extract this wherever you want, but for now I'll just extract this on my desktop. Okay, so extracting from SkyDash is completed. So I'll just simply close this, and I'll go to my XAMPP where I'll install it. So simply I'll just open my XAMPP and go to htdocs, and here I'll just simply click on new and create folder here, and I'll name this folder as admin template sky dash. Okay, I'll just simply name this as this, and I'll just simply click on this and minimize this. Okay, and I'll just open my extracted file, and from here I'll just copy some folder and paste in my project that I created in XAMPP. So I'll just simply control hold on control and mark folder that I want to copy: vendor, SCSS, partials, and JS, images, fonts, docs, and CSS. Okay, so we'll just need these folder for integration. So I'll just simply copy this and simply go to my C, XAMPP, and htdocs, and my folder that I created, admin template. I'll just simply paste this here. Okay, so all folders are paste here, and I'll just simply rename this and correct the spelling of template. Okay, so all set, and I'll just simply open my VS Code, and open my admin template folder, open folder, and I'll just simply go to my admin template SkyDash and just simply select this folder. Okay, so here you can see all the folders, and I'll just simply create one file here and name this file as index.php. Okay, and minimize this, close this, open my SkyDash and left click on it, open with Visual Studio Code, and copy all this code, Control A C, and I'll just simply paste it here. Okay, and I'll just simply go to my browser, open my Apache, and open my folder here, admin template sky dash. Okay, so here you can see it by default get the index.php file and show me here the index page of template. Okay, so friend, this is our today's video topic. In this how to integrate admin template in PHP. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel